how very easy to level concrete or wood subfloor with tripods and 4D laser level. Here is a lower spot, and right here, if you can see, this is higher spot. It's exactly lined on the bottom. And now I show how it's easy to set up tripods. Put it right here. So you see here bottom transmitter, it's exactly from the bottom, it's 1/4 inch, and I put another 1/8, it's laid straight, and just, if you see, we have green line, and so we need to install green line exactly on this edge, right here. So we can put another one, you see, a little lower, and it's already done. You see? Another, and just down. You can tell me when it's ready. Oh, done. Fine. Five minutes. Push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tripods. So now I'm ready to go. Don't forget to clean up your tools. If you keep it clean, you can use many times, and you will save your money. Because a few days ago I saw on YouTube a video how to clean up tools from the concrete. It was unbelievable how people don't like tools what they using. You know, it was so very dirty, and they use some sour liquid to remove it. But when it's fresh, you need just 1 minute, you know, clean up it, and you can keep it with good condition for so long. I'm using this barrel, I'm using this tripods and straight edge, all this stuff, you know, already I don't know, maybe 5-6 years, and no any problem. Just do it every time. Clean up it, and everything will be good.